asking nicely in Japan, we say Onegaishimasu. When we want to play, when we want to share, kind words show we care. Nuki smiles and nods to you, asking nicely feels so good. Onegaishimasu, please, please, Onegaishimasu. If you please, Onegaishimasu. Kind and true, Onegaishimasu. Me and you. When we want some help, when we want a turn, polite words are easy to learn. Soft voices, gentle ways, please can brighten someone's day. Onegaishimasu, please, please, Onegaishimasu. If you please, Onegaishimasu. Kind and true, Onegaishimasu. Me and you. When we ask with care, when we use kind words, in Japan we like to say Onegaishimasu. Onegaishimasu. One more time, Onegaishimasu. Sounds so kind. Onegaishimasu. Nice and slow. Onegaishimasu. Here we go.